أشهد
أن لا إله
أن لا إله
إلا الله
إلا الله
وحده
لا شريك له
لا شريك له
وأشهد
وأشهد
أن محمدا عبده ورسوله.
I'm very happy here. There are a lot of brother and sister help me very kind. Also because of brother sister Iman help my father became a Muslim too here.
By the grace of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, now the number of Japanese native Muslims have been increasing day by day.
It's the only one place where we can gather and have Muslim activities.
This is very important as a Muslim in a non-Muslim country. However, our place is very small.
This is a big gift from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to have a masjid in this area. So I am encouraging all the people all over the world to support our masjid, inshallah, to achieve and inshallah to deliver the message of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to the Japanese community.
To build masjid or to share even with small amount to build masjid, inshallah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will reward you, and the reward will be going even after your death.